CTR is one of the most important metrics for understanding how or when a video does well. You need to understand that you're going to have an average range. And what tends to happen is when you actually produce a video, you get a feedback. Now, what that feedback is going to do, it's going to show you your impressions and click-through rate. Now, based on your impressions and click-through rate, your video is going to perform in a certain manner. And depending on that click-through rate, you need to understand what you need to change in the future. If your score is good, your video is usually going to be 1 out of 10. If your score is bad and your video relevance is bad, your video is likely going to be a 10 out of 10. Let's take a look at this video right here. We can see that this is a 1 out of 10 and the CTR is 9%. This is good for one of the channels I own. The average CTR is around 6%. So if I get a video that has a CTR of 9%, I know the video is going to perform well. So you can see what types of CTR ranges you can shoot for. Once you start to produce a bunch of videos with a certain type of thumbnail style, you can then begin to adjust different things to see whether or not certain things impact your CTR. And then you can start to test things and see if you can improve your CTR accordingly.